Have you ever wondered if those micro investments you're making with Raiz actually add up to anything? Do you ever question if you're actually making money or just throwing your spare change into a black hole? Well, today we're diving deep into the question, do you actually make money from Raiz? Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's be real. Raiz is a fantastic tool. It's incredibly accessible, making investing incredibly easy. Roundups, spare change investments, even those automated contributions, it's all designed to make saving and investing painless. But does it actually grow your money? That's what we're here to find out. I know what you might be thinking, with such small amounts, will I even see a difference, or are the fees eating away at my returns? These are valid concerns, and we'll tackle them head-on. First, let's understand how Raiz works. Essentially, you link your bank account, and Raiz automatically rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the difference. You can also set up recurring contributions and even automate investments based on your spending habits. But how does this translate to actual returns? Raiz offers a range of investment portfolios, typically diversified across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, and ETFs. These portfolios are often managed by professional fund managers, which can be a huge advantage for beginner investors. However, it's crucial to understand the risk tolerance of each portfolio and choose one that aligns with your investment goals. Now, let's get down to the numbers. Calculating your potential returns with Raiz can be a bit complex, but here's a simplified approach. Factor in your contribution amount. How much are you investing regularly? Consider the average annual return. Raiz provides historical performance data, but remember, past performance is not indicative of future results. Account for fees. Raiz has management fees, so factor those into your calculations. There are plenty of online calculators and financial planning tools available to help you estimate your potential returns. I'll leave some links in the description below. One of the most powerful aspects of investing with Raiz is the magic of compounding. Even small, consistent contributions can grow significantly over time due to the compounding effect. Imagine your initial investments generating returns, and then those returns generating even more returns. That's the power of compounding in action. So, the million-dollar question, is Raiz worth it? The answer depends entirely on your individual circumstances and financial goals. Pros: accessibility, incredibly user-friendly and easy to set up. Automation, makes saving and investing effortless. Diversification, offers access to diversified portfolios. Small contributions, ideal for those starting with small amounts. Cons: fees, management fees can impact your overall returns. Limited control, you have limited control over individual investments. Potential for lower returns, compared to actively managed portfolios, returns may be lower. Ultimately, Raiz can be a valuable tool for building long-term wealth, especially for beginners. It's a fantastic way to develop a consistent saving habit and get started on your investment journey. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.